Hello Wolfpack, again, second video today. I thought I'd do a little update here, just because I'm going away for a few days starting tomorrow, so I won't have a video up on this channel for a couple of days, so just keep that in mind. If you see me not posting, I'm not going to be here for a couple of days. I'll be offline for the most part, and I won't be posting videos. And so I'm making this little update just to kind of compensate for that, because I won't be here tomorrow for the daily candle close. And I figured that, well, if I'm not here for the daily candle close tomorrow, I won't be able to tell you guys what's going on for Bitcoin. So what I can do is make a kind of video overlining what the scenarios are for tomorrow's daily candle close, more so than I did this morning when I made a video this morning. This morning's video was made purely based off what happened with the rejection in regards to Bitcoin. Now, on Bitcoin, not the rejection, sorry, the breakdown. Bitcoin had a breakdown from a major triangle, and it's headed downwards massively, and it's kind of broken to the downside. Now, we've formed a new kind of downtrending line that we need to be looking at, but that's irrelevant. That's for another video today. What we're just going to be looking at very briefly here, because I'm running out of time here today, is Bitcoin in this channel and what it's doing and what it needs to reclaim in order for the bullish argument to be reaffirmed, right? Because right now, if you didn't watch my video this morning, we're very much in the bearish territory. We're in bearish control as expected. I was not expecting this breakout to work. I have not been expecting any of these breakouts to work. For those of you who are new to my channel, I've been saying we're going downwards towards 24K since around 60K, right? So this is not new to me. I've been saying this for ages. I think we're going down to a 200-week SMA on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is in a bear market, right? And so, yeah, I think that all of these are dead cat bounces. Just going over briefly again. Descending volume, ascending channel, right? Bearish, bearish. Two bearish indicators. Contrasting to what we saw in May, descending channel with descending volume. That's very bullish, right? But essentially, we're in a bearish structure right now, and so we have to be bearish. But what we have to look at as well is invalidations for our bearishness. And one of those invalidations that I wasn't talking about this morning is the fact that, well, Bitcoin has a chance of just jumping straight back above support. How could that happen, right? I don't think it's going to happen personally, but it could, right? One of the ways it could happen is the fact that the S&P 500 could open green. The S&P 500 is controlling the Bitcoin price action quite heavily right now. The S&P 500 is seeing a pre-recession rally, which is dragging Bitcoin up by its shoes, quite literally, and just dragging it up to the top of the channel, right? This rally up to the top of the channel wouldn't have happened if the S&P wasn't rallying, but it is rallying, right? And so if the S&P 500 continues to rally, that would be an indicator that Bitcoin is going to continue up towards another retest at the top of the channel, and that could very well happen, but that's out of my control, right? I can't predict what's going to happen with the S&P 500. It's actually based on many external factors, not to do with TA. You know, if you think TA works, let me just show you this chart real quick. If you think TA works on a chart that looks like this, right? Look at this chart. If you think TA works on a chart that looks like that, look at that upwards trend. You are, so dearly mistaken. You cannot predict the S&P 500. It's just going up. That's all it does. And so I wanted to think about what's going on with Bitcoin really. And yeah, we've had that breakdown, and yeah, we're still bearish, right? There's no reason not to be bearish as of right now. But what we can notice, and this is just an observation, right? So I'm not flipping bullish on you guys, right? I'm not bullish at all, actually. I think you guys know that as per literally every single one of my last videos, titles and thumbnails, right? I'm not bullish. I really don't think it's bullish. But what we can notice is the fact, and this is just an observation, that the cryptocurrency market cap has, in this drop, rejected from resistance as expected, but it's actually come all the way down, and it's currently holding support at around 1.95 trillion, right? Not only is it holding support from a green critical rectangle, it's also holding support in form of a resistance support flip. If the total cryptocurrency market cap can hold this region and bounce, that would be incredibly bullish for the cryptocurrency market, right? Looking at Ethereum, we're seeing a very similar thing. Ethereum is broken out of a kind of a bear flag formation almost, right? Let's just say, a bearish pennant formation. It's broken out to the upside, right? And it's actually come up and it's rejected as Bitcoin rejected, but it's come all the way down. And again, it's finding support on the structure that it broke out, forming a successful or potentially successful resistance support flip. Bitcoin as well is currently finding support on both and in between, sandwich in between the 50 EMA and the 100 EMA, right? So my point is, what I didn't mention this morning, right, because I didn't really see it, to be honest with you, was and is the whole market right now is kind of at support. Okay, it's kind of at support. And what needs to happen for Bitcoin here in terms of the bullish case is we need to hold this support, and we need preferably the S&P 500 to open green. We need to hold the support, and we need to bounce, right? If Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market cap can bounce from this region right now from 43.4K and close the next daily candle on Bitcoin, right? The next Bitcoin daily candle needs to close above 44.3K or 44.5K, right? 44.5K. that will be pretty bullish for the entire cryptocurrency market. And that would be a deviation. So this actually wouldn't constitute a drop. It'd be constituting a fake out. So again, if Bitcoin manages to come up and close above 44.5K on the next daily candle close in 13 hours, that would actually be very bullish for the cryptocurrency market. That would not flip me bullish, right? But that would be short-term bullish. What would flip me bullish short-term would be a break above the channel, right? But as of the next daily candle close, that's the point of this video. What the bulls need to be looking for, what everyone needs to be looking for, what the bears need to be looking for is whether or not Bitcoin can flip 44.5K, right? If it can do that, that's pretty bullish for the market, right? That represents the fact that, well, the bears couldn't actually control the selling, and we had a massive sell-off, but essentially the bulls regained support above critical support, right? So which is quite bullish and flipped back resistance. So again, 44.5K is what you should be watching, not only tomorrow, but in the coming days. And on the total cryptocurrency market cap, that kind of lines up with Bitcoin as well. But you should be watching this critical triangle structure, see if we fall back below. If Bitcoin manages to drop below and close below, say, 43K, that's obviously a bearish sign, or maybe even 42K, that's obviously a bearish sign, even further bearish. So let's just clarify this right now, right? So clarifying, sorry for being kind of stuttery here. I'm just getting a few messages. All right, clarifying. If Bitcoin closes above 44.5K, that will be bullish. Until that point, Bitcoin is still in a breakdown and it's still bearish. That just wraps it up perfectly. So I didn't cover that very, very well this morning. I hope this video clears it up. I just thought I'd do a quick video before I go away for a couple of days as well. So not really too much to cover in this video. Go ahead and check out my video this morning that I did. That's a bit more extensive, but I thought I'd bring it up. Also, I want to bring up one more thing. Obviously, we've got the WOC exclusive opening happening right now, that Telegram group. Go ahead and check that out. But also, what we have as well is the Crypto Academy between me and MegaWell Crypto, right? Me and MegaWell Crypto have been working on a trading course, a learn to trade course called Become a Trader, a 10-unit course. I have a Telegram announcement group for that course and the Twitter link in the pinned comment below. Go ahead and check that out if you're interested in learning how to trade from myself and MegaWell Crypto. We've been developing this course for months and months and months, and we're almost ready to dish it out, right? So go ahead and check that out. It's very important that you guys go and look at that. Even if you're not interested, go ahead and check it out. Read the description of the course. See what it's all about. We've got that all posted there. And the release date will be probably within the month, right? Within the month. And we've got pre-orders coming out soon as well, so you guys can check that out for a discount. So thanks for watching. Check out the pinned comment. And obviously keep an eye on 44.5K. And I'll catch you in a few days, guys. Cheers. Thanks.